How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. We'll be going over the door panel removal process in today's video, covering all 1981 to 1986 year models. The door panel removal is a crucial step for many different processes on your Mustang. This can include servicing the window motor, the door lock actuator, or even part of a restoration. Follow along and we will show you the step-by-step process on how these come off your Mustang. First, start by opening both of the doors on your ride. Now you can move to your mirror hole covers. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the one screw holding this in place, and then you can lift and rotate this out of the way. Next, you will want to locate the lock, window, and inner door handle trim bezels. All of these will be held in place with a Phillips head screw. Remove each of these screws and then carefully remove each of the bezels from the door panel. For those of you that have manual windows, you will need to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the crank handle from the door. Moving over to the inner door pull, locate the Phillips head screw on the upper portion and remove this from the panel. You will need to remove both of the 10mm screws on the lower edge of the panel. Once you have these loose, you can remove the door pull from the door panel. Starting on the door's outer edge, you will need to locate the top door panel push pin. Using a plastic trim tool, dislodge this pin and slowly work your way around the door, removing each of the pins holding the door in place. Once you have all of the push pins dislodged, you can go ahead and lift the door panel to clear the lock rod and the inner door handle. Pull the panel away from the door to gain access to the window and the lock switches. Make sure to carefully press in on the outer tabs to release these from the backing board. Once these are off, the door panel will be free to take off the car. We hope this video has helped you have a better understanding on how to remove these door panels from your Mustang. Overall, this one should take you roughly about 20 minutes per side. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As always, you know what to do. Keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.